Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Candy, and welcome to our weekly Friday Fix. Today we're going to be talking about how to sit comfortably without knee pain. We have a lot of patients who complain about knee pain when sitting for a long time, like sitting in a movie, a long car ride, or even sitting at their desk all day. And the best way to not get knee pain when sitting for a long time is just to get up and move around more often. But sometimes that's not possible. Like if you are in a movie or you are on a long car trip and you don't want to stop every hour. And so some tips on how you position your body when you're sitting can help keep you from getting stiff and make you not be as sore when you go to get up from sitting. So the number one thing is keeping your hips and knees in a neutral alignment. You picture the width of your pelvis and then trying to keep your knees equal in alignment with that. That's the best alignment possible. Now, in certain situations, ladies, I understand skirts and things like that, you may have to cross some. It's not ideal to cross your legs, especially not like that, because it puts a lot of stress on the hip muscles over there. You have a big long tendon that gets a lot of bad press called your IT band, and it puts a lot of tension on your hip muscles and your IT band. Your IT band then in turn pulls on your kneecap and can create some compression. It can push your kneecap down against your thigh. And that, of course, can cause some irritation. And so the best way, if you do have to cross your legs, is to cross almost like a figure four style. For a lot of people, they have stiff hip rotator muscles anyway. But sitting like this, it's often a little bit of a stretch. So if you're sitting like that in a meeting or at a desk or you're just talking, sitting like this can help you get a stretch while you're really not even thinking about it. And even if you don't need to stretch this way, at least it's not in this position. Now, the other thing when you're sitting is that you can cross at the ankles, and that also keeps your knees in a little bit more of a neutral position. But if you have to sit for a long period of time and you don't have the option of getting up and you don't have the option of sitting like this, the other thing that's good is to stay moving. That when you move, your knees, they release a lubricating fluid, kind of like motor oil in your engine. That it helps keep your joints lubricated and makes them not get stiff as fast. So, if you're in the car, take your foot that you're not driving with, move it back and forth. If you're driving and you have access to cruise control and you're on the highway or in a situation where it's safe to do that, put the cruise control on for a little while, move your knee out of that one position. That being in one position too long can make you stiff. Now, if you have some further questions, I'm happy to help on an individual basis. And you can just contact us at Movement for Life at 314-941-3970, or we've got a button below this video where you can get in touch with us. Thanks, and have a great day.